I'm building this massive periodic table element by element. Today, I'm adding silicon. Silicon is the 14th element of the periodic table and member of group 14. Despite the common misconception, this is a completely different material than silicone, a polymer made partially of silicon but containing several other elements. This element is a metalloid, which means it has properties between that of metals and nonmetals. It possesses a metallic luster, yet it is an inefficient conductor and is brittle. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, and like the video if you enjoyed it.